for this one. So let us try to solve this triangle. Given that we have this right triangle, tapos given din na yung itong dalawang vertices na rectangle na sa loob, itong points dito, midpoint daw yan ng BC at saka itong point D is midpoint din yan ng AB. So when we say inscribe in a triangle, ibig sabihin nasa loob ng triangle yung rectangle natin. So ang hahanapin natin dito is the diagonal DG. So take a look on your module kasi ang nakasulat doon sa last part is EG, which is supposedly to be DG. Okay? So error lang yun, technical error. So we can solve this problem. So since this is a 90 degree, so ibig sabihin itong triangle dito, yung triangle dito, yung maliit na triangle, diba, the sum of interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180. So since 90 to, so we're gonna have this one. So this is 45, tapos ito din is 45. So kung 90 degrees to ulit, itong nasa baba din, 45 degrees din yan, tapos 45 degrees din yan as a whole triangle. Pero kasi may nakalagay dito na line, kaya may pangalawang triangle tayo na mas maliit. So 90 degrees then, with this means that this angle is 45 degrees tapos 45 degrees dyan. So ang hahanapin natin na first is the length of this side AB. So how can we find the length of AB? So we can use the trigonometric function. So referring to this angle, ito, opposite niya yan, tapos ito naman yung hypotenuse natin. Bakit ito yung naging hypotenuse natin? Kasi nandito yung 90 degrees angle, di ba? Kung i-flip niyo yung triangle, kung nandito yung 90 degrees angle, ito yung magiging hypotenuse natin, tapos ito yung dalawang shorter sides. Okay? So to solve AB, we can use the trigonometric function. So what is the relationship of this one towards this side? Ito yung hinahanap natin. Tapos itong AC is given, which is 12. Pag gagamit tayo ng trigonometric function, we should know the given at saka yung unknown. Ito yung given, ito yung unknown. So kung ito yung gagamitin natin na angle, ito opposite niya. Tapos ito naman, this is the hypotenuse. So opposite at saka hypotenuse. So ang gagamitin natin is the sine. Okay? So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Again, bakit sine theta yung gagamitin natin? Kasi opposite niya yung unknown na hinahanap natin na AB. Tapos hypotenuse naman yung given, which is 12. Okay? So ang angle natin or theta natin is 45. So we have sine 45 degrees is equal to opposite natin, unknown pa, which is AB. And then, ang hypotenuse naman natin is AC, which is 12. To solve for AB, apply cross multiplication. So that is AB is equal to 12 times sine 45. And then, we know that sine 45 is equal to square root of 2 over 2. So if I'm going to multiply these two, so that is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 square root of 2. So this is approximately 1.4. So kung i-multiply natin yan, tapos i-round off natin into 2 decimal places, so we have 8.49 units. Okay? So nahanap na natin yung AB. Next, since sabi niya yung A at saka D, midpoint daw dito, we can conclude that itong AD at saka BD is equal. At the same time, itong BE at saka EC is equal. Bakit? Kasi, bakit sila equal? Kasi yung D at saka E, midpoint. When we say midpoint, it divides the segment into two equal parts. Tama? So itong AD at saka BD equal, BE naman at saka EC are equal. So hanapin natin yung side niyan. So AD, we conclude that AD is equal to BD, which is also equal to BE at saka AC. So paano natin hahanapin yung mga middle length nito? Since nakuha na natin yung AB, Yung nakuha natin kanina na AB, divide lang natin yan sa 2. Kasi nga, di ba, equal yung dito at saka dito. So, kung itong whole segment, i-divide ko yan sa 2, so makukuha natin yung length ng 4. Okay? So, ano yung AB natin? We have 8.49 divided by 2. So, that will give us 4.24 units. So we have the properties of a triangle that if we have a median, ano yung sinasabi natin class ng median? So when we have a median, it divides the, itong side ng triangle. So i-divide niya yan sa 2. So pag ganyan na may median dito, we can conclude that the length of this one is 1/2 the length of this one. That is written as yung DE natin is equal to 1/2 AC. Again, bakit tayo nagkaroon ng ganitong equation? Kasi DE is a median of this triangle. Since DE is a median of this triangle, yung length nito na nasa loob, i-times 2 mo yan, equal yan sa dito sa baba, yung base natin sa baba, or the hypotenuse, no? So, since given naman yung AC, which is 12, so we can get the value of DE, length of DE, which is 1/2 times AC, that is 12. So we have 6 units. So that is for DE. Take note that this DE, that is the median of the triangle. At the same time, yan yung length ng rectangle natin na nasa loob. Again, DE is a median. At the same time, ganyan length ng yung rectangle or considered as the base. Tama? Kasi ito man siya. So, since rectangle yan, so these two are equal. So, kung 6 yan, 6 din dito. So, ang hahanapin naman natin is itong height ng rectangle natin. So, paano natin yan mahahanap? Since nakuha na natin ito kanina, yung AC natin, diba yung 4 dito, ito are all equal, which is equal to 4.4. Tama? Tapos, ito, i-denote natin as H. So, makukuha natin yan. Paano natin yan kukunin? Gagamit tayo ulit ng trigonometric function. Whenever we are going to use trigonometric function, we should know the unknown at saka yung given. So, since itong angle na to, opposite niya yan, tapos ito namang part dito, hypotenuse niya yan. So we have opposite over hypotenuse, that is sine. Tama? So we have sine 45 degrees. Ang opposite natin is yung h na hinahanap natin over hypotenuse natin, which is 4.24. So by using cross multiplication, so we have this one. So 4.24 times sine 45. Sine 45 is equal to square root of 2 over 2. So that will give us, using calculators, this will give us 3 units. Tama? Okay. So ibig sabihin itong h natin is 3 units. So para makuha natin class yung diagonal DG, kasi yung sa module natin ang nakasulat doon is EG, so which is supposedly to be DG. The formula in finding the length of a diagonal is equal to this one, square root of b squared plus h squared. So, ang b natin dito is yung base ng rectangle kasi yun yung hahanapan natin ng diagonal, hindi yung mismong base ng triangle. Again, the base here will be the base of your rectangle and not the base of your triangle. Tapos, yung edge naman, that is the height of your rectangle and not the height of your triangle. Kasi, ang hahanapan natin ng diagonal is yung rectangle. Okay? So, we have the length of B. Ang nakuha natin na kaninang B, di ba yung sabi ko kanina, itong base natin, ito are equal, which is 6. Tama? So, 6 squared plus ang edge naman natin is 3 units dito. Tama? So, 3 squared. So, that is equal to, DG is equal to, by simplifying this one, you have 36 plus 9. So that is square root of 45. Okay, so the square root of 45 is approximately equal to 617. So that is the final answer. So I'm gonna discuss the example 12. Naka-assign din yan sa akin, no? So, we're gonna find the area and perimeter of this trapezoid. So, given class na yung ano natin dito, length dito is 8, tapos yung sa baba is 11. So, since this segment at saka itong part dito, di ba nag-draw ako dito ng segment which is the height. So, ibig sabihin itong dito at saka ito are equal. Okay? So, 8 dito, ibig sabihin dito sa part na to hanggang dito is 8. Tapos dito, papunta dito sa dulo, that is 3. So, hanapin natin yung edge. Okay? So, paano natin hahanapin yung edge? So, gagamit na naman tayo ng trigonometric function. So, di ba sabi ko kanina, whenever we are going to use trigonometric function, kung ito yung angle mo, hanapin mo or tingnan mo kung ano yung relationship nito sa unknown at saka doon sa given. So, since referring to this angle, with respect to this angle, opposite niya yan, opposite, tapos itong given na 3 is adjacent niya yan. So, ibig sabihin that is tangent. Kasi kawa, opposite over adjacent. So, we have tangent 60 degrees is equal to, ano yung opposite natin? 6. Ay, height no? Over, ang adjacent naman natin is 3. So that is, by cross multiplication, we have h is equal to 3 times tangent 60. So this will give us 5.2 units. So that is the length of the height. So, since ang hahanapin natin class is yung area mismo ng trapezoid, so ang gagamitin natin is yung 11, hindi yung 3 lang. Okay? So, area of the trapezoid is given by the formula 1/2 a plus b times h. Okay? So, ano yung a natin? Yung base natin sa taas, tapos yung b naman natin, yan yung side natin sa baba, which is the 11. Nabaso 8 po. Okay? So, that is equal. By substitution, we have 1. Tapos, 8 yung base natin sa taas. Tapos, this segment sa baba, that is 11. So, times height natin, nakuha natin yan, which is 5.2. So, by multiplying this one, diba, 8 plus 11, that is 19 times 5.2. If gagamit kayo ng calculator to multiply this one, so you will have the result 49.4. So kung hindi given yung unit ng mga segment natin, so since area yan, you have to put square units. Okay? Basta class area, now always yung lagyan ng ganyan. Kung hindi given yung centimeter, for example, na nabag-given na centimeters kanyan, so, dapat lagyan natin ng square units. Pero kung centimeter naman yung given, dapat, kung area yan, so centimeter square. Okay? So, next, we're gonna find the perimeter. So, dito tayo. Hanapin natin yung perimeter. So, madali lang yung perimeter.